It is 9:42. If you're planning on firing up the grill over the Labor Day weekend, let me help you keep your barbecue on budget. I'm not cooking in today's dinner on a budget. I'm going shopping for deals instead. And here's what I found so far. Fresh off of Amazon's takeover of Whole Foods, I found this deal right here. Check it out. St. Louis style pork ribs, $3.99 a pound. That's a savings of about $7. They are usually between $6.99 and $10.99 a pound. Okay, I also found this one right here too. Over at Winn-Dixie, they've got a BOGO deal on pork spare ribs. And then over at Sprouts, they've got either St. Louis style or baby back ribs. These are buy one, get one as well. But for everybody who wants a more traditional Labor Day menu, Publix has this one on sale right now. They've got ballpark hot dogs, buy one, get one. They've also got the deal over here, buy one, get one on all your condiments, your mayo, your ketchup, your mustard. And finally, for anybody who's in the mood for chicken, Target has this right here. They've got a family pack of chicken breasts for $1.99 a pound. But don't sleep on this deal. This one ends at midnight on Saturday. So whatever you decide to put on your menu for Labor Day, the icing on the cake is knowing that the cost of your cookout won't break the bank.